Hello everyone, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? I hope you all must be having a great time. Now this is an orientation session particularly for the aspirants who have subscribed my Agriculture Optional Foundation cum Enrichment course for 2027, or those who are giving 2026 also. This is going to be good for them too. Now over here in this particular session, I am going to discuss that how you should proceed ahead with this course, so that you can stay connected, right? Starting a particular thing is easy, guys. To stay consistent in that particular phase is a really difficult. In the end, that matters only, that who was consistent, right? So how you will be remaining consistent, how you will be utilizing my revision and enrichment sessions in the weekends, how you will be staying connected with me. For the Delhi people, I will be available offline also, but many people are subscribing it for their state PCS. From northeast India also, from Jammu and Kashmir also, a lot of students are there, and from the south too. So how online people can connect with me, when we can have the doubt sessions and all, that I am going to discuss over here in this orientation session, right? Now, first of all, let me tell you that what we have in this foundation cum enrichment course, highly recommended for the, you can say, for the freshers, those who are in their first, second attempt and want to make a base. This is recommended for them, foundation cum enrichment. Over here, first of all, we will be having your foundation classes. Once you have the foundation classes, then weekly we are going to have this enrichment where current affairs or any reports should be updated. Revision we will be doing of the topic, how you will be revising it for the examination, because academic study is different of agriculture, and you will be finding the competitive study is completely different, right? And then you are going to have the test series. For example, you have learned about unit 5, unit 6, soil nutrient management, soil water management, then you will be giving the test over here. My team will be checking over here, we will be checking, and 1-to-1 we will be doing the discussion of the test series too. Now this is a complete package, guys, foundation cum enrichment. Generally what will happen, देखो, I have ample amount of videos which I have posted you on YouTube also, because I believe in what I am teaching you. But you will not find these kind of demo videos by any other coaching institutes, right? So that you can have a proper idea of where you want to get studied from, where you want to take help from. Okay? This partiality you will be seeing in the apart in the other institutes also, but over here I am completely transparent with respect to my course, right? Also, what you will be finding over here, that don't go for selective understanding. First you will be doing the test series. If you are doing directly test series without having concept on your tips, then you are ruining your test series, guys. As simple as that. Why? Because then you will be writing random information, random answers, and that will be checked likewise. You will not be scoring well, and that means that test series you have wasted completely. What should be the process? The process should be, first you take down that concept by heart, then you try to practice on your own, revise it, then you do the test series, and then you analyze it. Okay, what was wrong in that? That is the best way. If you're directly doing this test series, that is completely, then you again have to take the test series, guys, right? This is the thing which I'm telling you. Initially we don't know a lot of things when we start, but a guided approach will definitely help you in this particular preparation, right? So these are the 3 levels we are going to have in this foundation cum enrichment course. But if you want to take only the classes too, that component also we have, where you only want to take not the test series, only the classes enrichment part, that also we have option for you, guys. Okay? That you can see. Now how lectures will be? Actual lectures will be available in both the languages. Books will be fetched to you, like provided to you in your address. Hard copy notes will be coming right to you. Also my class PPTs and my enrichment PPTs will be giving to you, where I am basically reading all these reports and then converting into a readable format, what is important for your examination. You can check out many videos which I have posted regarding the live enrichment classes. PPTs will be getting you. No need to go here and there, guys. Structural method of learning, this you will be understanding once you see the demo videos, right? These are all the things which you will be understanding. Now those who have subscribed the course, for them, let me tell you that there are, first of all, you have to understand my student composition, right? Agriculture is again a generic optional. Student composition you have to understand, right? And likewise, there is a different mindset for the students who are having different background. One type of student background which we will have is those who are having agriculture background. And primarily I have those students who have done their BSc, MSc, majorly BSc in Agri, MSc, and some are doing their PhD from IRI also, and in some other universities too, you will be finding, are my students right now. And there is different along over here is a non-agri background too. They also choose agriculture because they are aware of this option, right? And they are basically from BTech background, BSc background, and want to BA background also. I have someone over here, but any background you are having apart from agriculture, you will come in this non-agri background. So over here, what you will be finding, the approach will be different, guys. These people might be targeting IFoS also, you might be targeting IFoS also, state pieces also, state ACF, FRO, all are targetable by this agriculture option, right? The approach will be different. How this agriculture background people are having one advantage, that is they have heard these terms, though these terms are not organized in an UPSC way. These are not organized in a UPSC answer format. Right, in 250 words for you, pest management is more than enough. Pest management, you don't need to do 2 years of MSc. For pest management, plant protection, you have to have only 500 words of knowledge. Right, this is the way you have to understand a particular topic. So for agriculture background student, they have heard certain things. What you have to do is you have to coherently structure your knowledge without mixing it what you have learned in your graduation. That is academic study, experiment oriented, right? This is your competitive study. You have to write an answer which should be smart, which should be having intro, conclusion, and then certain words in the body part also. So like this, you have to have this mindset, because you will be gathering information much faster, because you have learned about the biological weed management. You have heard about the weed management. Apart from that also, Cynodona, Dactylona, you have heard about it. So there will be a slight advantage you will be having that you can arrange. But that advantage can be utilized by you only if you are revising and seeing the subject through the way I want you to see. Right? Because what is happening in reality, that these non-agri students, BTech, MBA people are taking agriculture as an optional and are scoring more than these agriculture background students and getting the ranks, guys. This is the reality I'm telling you about. Because ultimately IFoS people, if you will be finding rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, they are BTech oriented people, guys. They have taken agriculture and they are getting success in this examination because they are studying fixed knowledge over here. They want certain pages, they want to ratify those, understand those particular pages and writing that down. Whereas the agriculture background student is lost in a vast, in compiling all the sources. This is, you should not do. For non-agri BTech students, BA students, what you have to do extra is you have to search down more things, guys. For example, I am telling you about Cynodona, Dactylona. You see what is Cynodona, Dactylona. Though I'll be showing you too. But try to, after the class, half an hour you will be putting up for this. To learn things. For example, I am teaching you texture. Soil texture, try to search it down. What is soil structure? Not more than 5 minutes, because I have already taught you this. Texture, what is sand, silt? Already I'll be explaining you, but just search it down. Right? Like that, what you will be doing, you will be re-strengthening your knowledge. Again and again, you will be having this mindset of agriculture that yes, you are learning things in a better way. Right? So this stuff you have to put more extra half an hour, that whatever you have studied in the lecture, you will find certain things on your own and then connect with me if you are not finding any information with respect to the doubt you are having. Right? So this should be the approach. Now for all, you should devote, at least if you are targeting 2027, then your approach will be at least 5 to 6 hours you have to give daily for the next 3 months of this course to your agriculture optional, and rest 5 to 6 hours will be going to GS. Do anything over here, make your foundation, but agriculture foundation I need for the rest 3 months, 5 to 6 hours daily. How you will be dividing this 5 to 6 hours, guys? Let me tell you. First, over here, the lectures. For example, the lectures will be of around 2 hours. Some lectures will be of 1 hour. So you have to, for example, over here, utilize the pause mechanism of these lectures. For example, you are watching the lecture. The beauty is that you can pause it. For example, you are understanding the soil forming factors and soil forming process. This is lecture number 1. Over here, I will be telling you a lot of things. So pause in between. For example, I am over with this factors part. So pause it, try to read it from the book, Try to read it from the PPT, what I am teaching you, and try to consolidate the material. Try to make the notes of it, right? Soil forming factors, also based upon PYQs. Because my class starts with PYQs, ends with PYQ. So PYQ should be the focus area that, okay, this has been asked multiple times, I'll be making notes for it. And first lecture, if you have attended, made the notes, you will be showing it to me. If that will be good to go, I will be giving you the heads up. If not, I will be telling you what changes you have to do, right? So these are the things, this way you will move on. And then you will be like, in weekends we are going to have the enrichment classes or revision classes, you can say, where you can ask me doubt. Also one-to-one session we can take, right? Like this you will be moving ahead. Also, those people who have subscribe, there is a Telegram channel, private Telegram channel you have to join after getting subscribed. So if you have subscribed and you have not joined that private Telegram channel where we have all the subscribed students over here, I'll be sharing more news, more PPTs over there directly, enrichment lectures directly. You tell me, right? You just message me on the number, right? I'll be telling you the number, contact number in the last. Okay, so this is the way you should move ahead, guys. In the enrichment part, we are going to have live enrichment doubt clearing sessions. Each unit will be completed. Live monthly current affairs, Kurukshetra and Yojana magazine, whatever articles are there, we'll be discussing it. Test series, if you are subscribing, 8 part length test and 4 full length test we are going to have. You will be understanding how this particular questions have to be right, and then one-to-one discussion we can have. If you are at offline Delhi center, you can come and visit me, or whenever I'll be visiting the regional centers, you can visit me, guys, right? So you can read it out with respect to the test series. Each model answers will be provided, and within evaluation, not within 3 to 4 days, but timely evaluation, or within 1 to 2 days we are doing the evaluation, right? So you can log on to the website, see the topper copies. Some of the aspirants are giving interview in 2025, right? Those copies also you can check. Some of my like subscribers, like last year students, my course students, are giving interview this year. You can check their copies too, right? So this is an overall idea. First of all, the course you have subscribed. If you have subscribed only the classes course, then test series is not there, right? Test series you can buy later on also, but again it will become a bit like high price will be there. So if you will be taking in one go, it will be feasible, or it will be like affordable for you. Now paper one you will be finding, though our prices are comparatively afforded, we have kept it really low, guys. Now how you will be doing it, my approach is different. First we will be getting with paper one unit number 5, then unit number 6, then we will be doing over agronomy, weed science, agriculture economics, agriculture extension, then agroecology and forestry in the last. Why? Because these two are very easy units. Even if you don't have read it, you can attempt the question with the help of your GS3 knowledge, right? So like this, our arrangement of units will be like this the videos you are going to see. Okay. Again we have divided the syllabus. This is the exact syllabus you will be finding of UPSC notification. We have divided each paragraph into units like agroecology, agronomy, agroforestry, weeds, soil and nutrient conservation, soil and nutrient management, soil and water conservation. Then over here agroeconomics, agri extension, right? Then likewise paper 2 you will be finding like this, right? And paper 2 is quite like, if you have seen because this is the fix over here, whereas if you will take PSIR Shosho, this is not fixed, guys. This is current oriented. Once you have understood cell biology and genetics, it is not going to change. That's the beauty of it, right? So cell biology and genetics also you are going to find like this. We are moving in the paper number 2, like cell biology and genetics, plant breeding, seed tech, plant patho, like we will be doing. My idea for all the civil services and Indian forest service aspirant will be paper number 1. You will be having the hold over 5 units. Paper number 2, you are going to have the hold over 4 units. Out of 7 units over here, out of 8 units over here. One more thing you all have to do is you have to watch my mains 2025 discussion analysis. You can type it on YouTube by Ankit sir. Over here Ankit Rauthan sir, you can type and you will be finding this analysis. Only 1 hour analysis you see. I will be telling you the insights how in actual examination you will face the problem, guys. And then you start seeing the lectures. Why I am saying you that out of 8 units you try to have the short hold over 5 units. You have to do the rest 3 units only. But 5 units you have to have the hold. 4 units complete hold. You cannot leave anything. Why? Because you are getting choices in the examination too. So in reality, those who are new, they will not be able to understand what is the paper nature. So paper nature, you have to understand first. See this video that is uploaded. If you will not able to find, connect with me, right? So these are certain feedbacks over here. The interview sessions also, you can see the non agri background student, you will be finding over here, got the rank AR 33 2023 attempt, right? Somebody have topped, you will be finding the state PCS. Somebody have got into this particular part, and people have really got helped from these lectures, because the most important part is I make you remember things in the class itself, right? And for any queries now you have, you can either contact on this number or contact 9560702827. You can contact, right? I'll be having your queries, guys. Thank you so much. I'll be meeting you in the lectures.